Every road tells a story, every load a purpose. At RawMaxx, we build more than trailers. We're your partner in the grind, your ally in adventure. Built tough to conquer the most demanding challenges, RawMaxx stands for strength, endurance, and the will to never stop. With RawMaxx, you get more than equipment. You get a promise of reliability, a commitment to quality, and the strength to keep moving forward. From the hard work that builds a future to the journeys that bring families closer, RawMaxx is there for the moments that matter most. Because life's best stories are written on the road, and RawMaxx is built to be part of yours. RawMaxx, empowering your success every step of the way.